First, prise out and remove the end cap. Then, gently twisting and pulling, slide off the rubber grip. And then remove the single screw that locates the brake assembly, and slide the brake assembly off the handlebar.
Right.
Extend the handlebar into the folded position and then lever off the black ring that retains two brass pivot pins. Take care not to damage the ring or the handlebars during this operation. Once the brass pivot pins are exposed, gently slide them out of place. And the handlebar can then be removed. The release pin and the spring inside the handlebar may need to be removed and reinstalled into the new handlebar. So before replacement, slide the black ring over the handlebar and insert the handlebar with the two brass pivot pins, one on either side. Then slide the black ring over both of the brass pins until it snaps into position, securely holding both pins in position. Then reassemble the brake lever, the rubber grip and the end cap. And then replace the screw fastener that locates the angle of the brake lever. Make sure that the screw aligns up with the original hole. The left and right hand handlebars have identical removal and reinstallation procedures.